Hello, children. Good morning to all. Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya online classes. This is Gandhimati from Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam quotes கனவு காணுங்கள். ஆனால் கனவு என்பது நீ தூக்கத்தில் காண்பது அல்ல. உன்னை தூங்க விடாமல் பண்ணுவது எதுவோ அதுவே லட்சிய கனவு. அழகை பற்றி கனவு காணாதீர்கள். அது உங்கள் கடமையை பாழாக்கிவிடும். கடமையை பற்றி கனவு காணுங்கள். அது உங்கள் வாழ்க்கையை அழகாக்கும். Children, today we begin the class with some puzzles. Here I have given one puzzle. I will give you 30 seconds time. You try to solve the puzzle. I hope you have solved. Children, today I am going to teach you about International Number System. Before we begin the class, we have a small recapitulation about previous class what we have discussed. Children, can you tell me in previous class what we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed about Indian number system. In Indian number system, we divided the place value into 4 periods. Ones periods, thousands periods, lakhs period and crores period. Ones period again we divided into 3 subgroups. It is ones, tens, hundred, and thousand again divided into 2 subgroups, 1000, 10,000. Lakhs period divided into 2 subgroups, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores period divided into 2 subgroups, crores, 10 crores. But in international number system, place value chart divided into 3 groups, ones period, thousands period, millions period. Ones period, it is divided into 3 subgroups, ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period divided into 3 subgroups, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period divided into 3 groups, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So, in international number system, the place value divided into 3 groups each. Ones period, we have ones, tens, hundred. Thousands period, we have 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period, we have millions, 10 million, 100 million. Ones period, we have 1 digit. Tens period, we have 2 digit. Hundreds period, we have 3 digits. Thousands period, we have 4 digit. Like that, we have millions, 7 digits. Next, I am going to tell you how to read and write the numbers in international number system. We know international number system divided into 3 periods, ones period, thousands period, millions period. Ones period, we have ones, tens, hundred. Thousands period, we have 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period, we have millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Here I have an example. It has 7 digits number. So always the 7 digits number starts with million. So 7 digits. 1 is in millions place. 3 is in 100,000s place. 4 is in 10,000s place. 7 is thousands place. 8 is hundreds place. 2 is tens place. 1 is ones place. So we have to read 1,347,821. 1,347,821. Here have written the standard form using commas. I have written the number name with the help of periods. So here every 3 digits after we have to divide it into 1 groups. Next, I have examples to find the standard form. How to find the standard form? Standard form can find by adding all number together. Here I have an example. The number is given in expanded form. If I add the expanded numbers together, I will get a standard form. Standard form can write with the help of commas. So here 8 is in millions place, 400 is thousands place, 307 is ones place. So I have to write 8,400,307. The standard form we have to write with the help of commas. Next example, 3,843. Here in thousands place I don't have any values, even though I have to consider the thousands, like 3,843. So it is divided into 3 periods: ones period, thousands period, millions period. Next, I have a comparison Indian number system with international system. In Indian number system, the periods is divided into 4 periods: hundreds, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. In international number system, the periods divided into ones, thousands, million. In Indian number system, we have to divide the periods. First period after 3 digits. Next period every after 2 digits we can divide it. But in international number system, every 3 digits after we have to divide it into 1 periods. Like comma, how we are using, like that we have to divide it into periods. So with the help of commas we can divide the periods. For example, in Indian number system, ones period we have ones, tens, hundreds. Similarly, in international number system, we have ones, tens, hundred. Thousands, we have 1,000, 10,000 in Indian number system. But in international, we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In Indian number system, next period is lakh. Lakh, 10 lakh. But in international number system, we have million. It is million, 10 million, 100 million. In Indian number system, next period is crore. So crore, 10 crore. So always we have to read the number name in Indian place value chart. Here is given start with crore because it is a 8-digit number. 8-digit number always start with crore. So 8-digit number divided into 4 period. Ones period, thousands period, lakh period, crore period. So 4 is in crore place, 9 is in 10 lakh, 7 is lakh, 8 is 10,000, 4 is 1,000, 0 is 100, 1 is 10 and 2 is 1. So we have to read 4 crore, 97 lakh, 84,012. Write the expanded form. 4 into 1 crore plus 9 into 10 lakh plus 7 into lakh plus 8 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 1 into 10 plus 2 into 1. This is the expanded form of given number in Indian place value chart. We have to write the number name 4 crore 97 lakh 84,012. With the help of comma, we have to write the numeral. With the help of period, we can write the number name. So, Indian place value chart. It is that. Next, the same number I am going to explain with international place value chart. So here the same 8 digits but starts with million. But in Indian number system, it starts with crore. So here 4 is in 10 million place, 9 is in million, 7 is 100,000, 8 is 10,000, 4 is 1,000, 0 is 100, 1 is 10, 2 is ones place. So we have to read 49 million 784,012. So like that we have to read international place value chart. But Indian place value chart, the same number starts with crore. But here it starts with million. So 49 million 784,012. So expanded form we know how to write. We have to write with the place value help. So if we know the value of the place, we could find out the expanded form. So place value is nothing but the product of the face value into value of the place is known as place value. Expanded form is nothing but sum of all the place value. We could find out the expanded form of numbers. If we find that, we could find out the standard form also. Standard form we could find out with the help of commas. If you know where we have to put the commas, we can write the standard form. In international place value chart, we can write that. Next, we are going to discuss about largest numbers in practice. Practically, we are using large numbers everywhere. Like when we are going to measure a pencil, we need centimeter. If I want to measure classroom length, I have to use meter. So we have learned that we use centimeter as a unit of length. For measuring length, we use centimeter. For measuring thickness of the pencil, we use millimeter. To measure the length of the classroom or school building, we use meter. To measure the distance between the cities, like between Delhi and Mumbai, we need kilometer. Like that, we have a measurement in weight also. We go to the market to buy rice or wheat. We buy it in kg. But items like ginger, chilies, which do not need in large quantities, we buy in gram. Similarly, we have a capacity measurement. If I want to measure a large capacity of water, I have to use liter. If I want to measure a small quantity of water, I need milliliter. So depends that we can use the unit also. If we need large, we have to use kilo. If we need small, we have to use the milli. Milli is the smallest unit and kilo is the largest unit. Here I am going to teach you measuring the length. Here I have a conversion units like millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Millimeter is the very smallest unit which used to measure the width of the pencil, and centimeter we can measure pencil scale and all. Meters means we can measure classroom length. Kilometers we have to use only measuring the distance between the states like that. So to convert from smaller to bigger unit, we have to divide by 10 as many times as we move up in the order. If I need to convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, I have to multiply by 10 as many times as we move down in the order. So here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So millimeter is the very smallest unit and kilometer is the largest unit. To convert from smaller to big, we have to divide by 10, and from conversion from bigger to small, we have to multiply by 10 as many times as we move down in the order. So here we have a millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. These are all length measurement units. Next, I am going to tell you about weight measurement. Like I told you, if I want to buy more, I want to use kg. If I want to buy a less quantity like chilies and ginger, I have to use gram. So similarly here also, milligram is the smallest unit, kilogram is the biggest unit. To convert from smaller to bigger, we have to divide the value by 10 as many times as we move up in the order. To convert from bigger to smaller, we have to multiply by 10 as many times as move down in the order. Here, milligram is the smallest unit, kilogram is the biggest unit. So, always we used to measure a small quantity using milligram. Here, I have some example problem. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final days was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the number of tickets sold on all 4 days. Always we have to use a given data. With the help of given data, we could find out the answer. Here we have to find out the tickets sold on all 4 days. So we have to add all the tickets sold on every day. Like tickets sold on first day, tickets sold on second day plus tickets sold on third day plus tickets sold on fourth day. It is equal to 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. It is equal to the tickets sold on all 4 days. So we have to add together all days tickets. First day what is the value, second day what is the value, plus third day what is the value, plus fourth day value. It is equal to all days tickets sold. So if you add all those values, you will get the answers of the everyday tickets sold. So the next problem is, Shager is famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? The given data, runs scored by Shager is 6,980. Number of runs he wishes to complete is 10,000. Number of runs he needs is equal to total run he wishes to get minus run scored. Total run wishes to get is 10,000. Run scored is 6,980. So the remaining runs will be equal to subtraction from the bigger number to smaller number, which will get 3020 runs. Children, I gave you 2 assignment questions. Read the questions properly and try to answer it. First question. The number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheets 8 pages of a notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. How many notebooks can be made from the paper available? This is your first assignment question. Before solving, you have to read the questions minimum 3 to 5 times. The second question, in one state, the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 was 7,43,000. In the year 2003 to 2004, the number of bicycles sold was 8,100,000. In which year were more bicycles sold and how many more? This is your second questions. With that, I would like to complete this session. Before complete the session, we have a small recapitulations what we have discussed in today's class. Can you tell me, children, what we have discussed today? Today, we discussed about international number system. In international number system, how we have to write the number name, how we have to write the expanded form, how we have to write the standard form. All those things we have discussed. And we have compared international number system with Indian number system. Then we have discussed large numbers where we are using practically, and about the conversions also we have discussed. And finally, we have solved some example problems. I have given the assignments to do the assignments. I hope you have enjoyed this session. You have learned a lot in this session. Thank you so much.